I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagre-release po tayo ng video din doon. You might want to check on it. And kung gusto nyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang, take what's only yours. So, parang meron tayo ditong Gemini, meron tayong napapansin, no? We're actually observing our person and it felt like meron pa akong mga pwedeng ma-discover. And it may be good, it may be bad, but I'm seeing here that you are fully aware of what this person is doing. Or probably meron tayong nahalata and we're starting to investigate, no? There is a realization, there is somewhat, meron tayong tinatawag na I'm beginning to be enlightened, no, dito sa situation na ito. So, baka meron ditong nasa third party situation, no? Again, this is a general reading. Take what's only yours, ha? But chances are baka hindi nyo inaasahan, oh, nasa third party situation pala ako, without my knowledge, without, my person. Of course, hindi naman kadalasan ipapaalam sa inyo, no? Yung iba, I felt like sabi mo ganito, no? Sabi mo wala na, pero I felt like nandito ka pa pala sa isang situation na ito. With the Three of Pentacles, everything is fine, and Ace of Wands. I felt like medyo naiisip natin dito, or baka ito yung ating realization for now, no? For now. Siguro nung una medyo okay pa, hindi masyadong halata, pinagbibigyan natin yung mga bagay-bagay, hindi masyadong pinapansin, although you're seeing those signs, no? The writings are on the walls. Pero parang sinasabi natin dito, hindi yata. Baka naman kasi ako ang may problema, no? Baka naman kasi ang isip ko lang yung madumi dito sa sitwasyon na ito. So, parang hindi naman. So, ayokong bigyan ng mali siya, no? So, at first, parang sinasabi natin, kaya pa, pwede pa, hindi siguro, no? Yung iba dito, medyo nakapag-isip, sex nga lang ba, no? Ang habol sa akin ni person. With the Death card, Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Wands. So, parang may mga challenges dito sa situation na ito. And I think that the relationship, Gemini, is in and out, no? Parang walang permanenteng dynamic, no? It's either, parang bihirang-bihira lang dito yung nasa common ground kayo. It's either masayang-masaya kayong dalawa or sobrang nag-aaway kayo, no? So I felt like more of nandun kayo sa extremes. And hindi nyo naman mabitawan yung isa't isa. Hindi nyo naman mabigyan ng laya, no, ang isa't isa. Ang nakikita natin dito kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng separations right off the bat, bigla ang merong manunuyo, hihingi ng tawad, I am seeing here parang ito yata ang tinatawag nating Tom and Jerry, no? Dito sa relationship na ito. Merong mabilis, mag-init ang ulo. I felt like yung iba dito minsan nakikipag-away. Here's the thing. Kapag magkasama, okay lang. Kung kailan naghiwalay, no? For example, kailangan ko umuwi ng bahay, or kailangan natin maghiwalay kasi kailangan natin umuwi sa sarili nating bahay. Doon magte-text, no? Someone might also gonna be surprised na ang may problema pala. Hindi naman sa akin sinasabi, malalaman ko na lang kung kailan magkahiwalay na kami, no? Sa mga singles or may mga crushes or even nandito sa no labels or situationship, hindi natin kasi alam kung saan papunta itong relationship natin, no? Kung doon sa mga singles, kung meron tayong nagugustuhan, parang nandito pa lang yung nagpapakiramdaman tayo, pero parang walang nagsasalita. Sometimes, parang kabute si person. Mananahimik, sometimes nandiyan, magpaparamdam, more of tahimik. So parang saan ba ito papunta, no? Sa mga may crushes and no label situation, medyo meron tayong contributions dito. Bakit nagkakaganon? Dahil at first, medyo sinakyan natin, no? Pero ngayon, medyo na lumalalim na, no? Itong ating emotions, malalim na yung ating nararamdaman. Medyo nagsisimula na tayong mag-crave, no? Or humingi or mag-demand ng time, energy, effort, no? Again, this could be you, this could be your person. But it felt like meron ditong sudden change, na pwede nating naramdaman na sinabi natin, sandali ha, hindi ko rin naman in-expect, no, na ma-fall ako ng ganito. Doon sa mga in a relationship, married couple, I feel like ang situation na to medyo ang hirap bumitaw kasi nandito kayo sa loob ng relationship to a point wherein kumbaga napasubo na tayo Habang nandun tayo sa relationship, doon tayo nag-o-observe, no? Third party situation, I felt like medyo masakit na kasi at first sinasakyan natin. At first medyo sinasabi natin, kaya ko naman to no? Yun yung akala natin. Pero we might have some motive, no? Then, why we entered the relationship, or probably for those who knows, no, na nandun sila sa third party situation. But then again, it backfired on you dahil sinasabi, sandali, I didn't expect that I will fall in love this hard. Doon sa mga in separations, I feel like you might be in separation because of napag-usapan nyo. So this might be a mutual understanding between you and your person. But then again, hindi naman ako nakakita talaga ng separations kasi somehow, meron pa rin kayong connection, whether this is conversation or baka merong bata, no? Or baka yung family member. So, you still have this information na nagagather kay person, no? Wheel of Fortune, the High Priestess, and the Two of Cups. So, I felt like meron lang mga challenges na nangyayari sa buhay-buhay ninyong dalawa. Merong misunderstanding. But I'm seeing here, since, kunyari ako yung binabasahan ko. Ako itong nagbigay ng abundance, no? Abundance may mean literally different for everyone. Abundance may mean money, time, energy, no? Gifts. Kung ako itong nagbibigay ng mga ganon, I feel like yung binibigyan ko, nami-miss din naman. Yun nga lang, kaakibat din yung mga binibigay to a point wherein, syempre, kumbaga, kabuntot na nun yung ikaw. And I feel like dito pa lang niya nare-realize na sandali, is it just the gifts that I am missing, or is it also the person? Kasi meron ditong realization din na nafo-fall na rin yata ako. So, siguro ang nakipaghiwalay dito, no, yung taong nag-initiate ng kanyang nararamdaman. Yung taong nag-hope that there's something gonna happen, no, dito sa relationship. Little that the person knows na sandali, meron din siyang nararamdaman at yun yung nare-realize na nitong person na ito. So, let's check what the universe may have to say dito sa relationship na ito. The Star, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. I felt like etong nangyayari is part of either the path, the plan. The separation needs to happen for the other person to understand how important you are, how important the connection is in their life. But I am really seeing in here na dadating yung time na magkakaroon ng reconciliation, magkakaroon ng pag-uusap, agreement on how to fix the issues para hindi na ito mangyari. The Star comes up, so which means that probably, no, ibabalik din sa'yo how you place the person in a pedestal. So, bibigyan ka rin ng attention, affection, but it may take a little while because of the Seven of Cups dahil madami pa tong pagdadaanan, no? And I'm seeing with the Four of Pentacles in here, this may be a relationship for keeps, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. And if you want po na sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome to do so. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na yon, no? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Aquarius, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.